Welcome to the workshop. Welcome to another Fluff and Stuff.
Fluff and Stuff.
Well, it's a gorgeous sunny day today, but it's freezing cold out there and a little bit breezy. So I'm not getting on with any of the house maintenance projects that I've got outdoors. I'm in the workshop and I'm currently working on a little restoration. I've got a box here which has got several problems with it, and I'm getting on with restoring that. That's going to be subject of a couple of articles on my website. And talking of articles, I don't know whether any of you have seen it or not, but just out is the latest issue of Woodworking Crafts magazine, and they're my hands on the front cover. I've got an article on there on making some shoji. Now, if you've been watching for a while, you've seen me make the shoji that are behind me. I made another pair before Christmas, and my article is on that, or my article on that is in the magazine. It's a really good write-up, some great photos and instructions in there. So if you're interested in shoji, grab yourself one of those magazines. Woodworking Crafts issue 49. And also in there, which I know a lot of you who are interested in the Stanley 45 will like, is making window sash. When I did my series on the 45, I showed how you could plane up a glazing bar using the 45 and its cutters. That was quite popular. So if you want to make window sash, if you want to make shoji, there's the magazine to get this month. Now, there are a number of articles on my website. If you haven't checked those out yet, please do. What else is going on? Well, the Asian Inspired Nightstand. I've started building it. Chad is, I believe, just about starting building it too. We're working off a set of plans. If you want to support the build, you can get these plans right now. That's on my Justgiving page. And what's happening with it, these plans are probably about 75% complete. They've got all the information you need to make the nightstand. But what I'm going to do by the end of building it is include some more instructions and perhaps some more options in there. But you can get this set straight away, and once the full set's are available, you can have that as well. That's free to anyone who supports it. So get yourself over to the Justgiving page and see what you think. There's more details there, obviously, of what that entails. There's also a chance, if enough people support it, that it will be given away to somebody. So if you want a nightstand, that's something else to consider. Now, Chad's making his out of different material to mine, so although they're going to be the same shape, the same size obviously, but they're going to look quite different. And I think that's a really nice aspect to the series. And the series is going to run with, I'll be doing video 1, which will be an introduction to it, and starting some work on the rough lumber. And then I shall hand over, second video will be on Chad's channel, and that will cover the next step. Once that's complete, you can come back to my channel for the next video, and that'll run probably for a month or so, a month or two. It depends how long it takes each of us to make the nightstand. When everything's complete, I'll put together a full build video. So whichever way you like to view, check it out. I do suggest you look at Chad's versions as well, because he'll be doing techniques that perhaps I haven't done before. We all have different ways of doing the same thing, and it's worth learning all of them, and then you can try them all out and pick the one that suits you best. What else is happening? Well, I'm also, patrons will know about this, I've started work on the writing slope, and if you want to follow along, there are update videos for patrons coming out regularly now. That'll show you the progress, and again at the end of that build I'll be putting together a build video, or a number of build videos to come on YouTube for everyone to see. So that's something else that I'm really excited about at the moment, and having a lot of fun doing that. Well, I don't know if you've caught any of the other videos this month, but let's just see what I've put out. First of all, there was a quick tip on how to fix a loose tote on a hand plane. Then I managed to do some woodworking with my nephew over the winter holiday. And finally, a video on how to prevent back pain by having your bench at the right height. Hopefully you've seen those. If you haven't, go and check them out now. Well, it's good to catch up with you. If you've got any projects you're doing yourself, you want to send me some photos, I'll be very happy to stick them up here on the next Fluff and Stuff. And also, before I go, Chad has set up a Facebook group called Wood Chopping Time, What Are You Up To? And that's basically for followers of his, or anyone really, who wants to show what they're making in their workshop. So it's great for viewers to come along and say, well, you know, you've inspired me to get into woodworking, this is what I'm making right now. I pop in and have a look and see what people are making, make the odd comment, and I'll post occasionally in there myself. So check that one out. Well, until next time, enjoy your woodworking, stay safe, cheerio.